Hey guys, how are you? My name is Rafael, and recently I had an accident where I had multiple injuries in my face, in my teeth, and my finger, and unfortunately I broke my front teeth. And so I went here to a local dentist here in Ireland, and I was quoted for over 20 grand. And I was like, seriously, I'm here to do my teeth, not to buy a car. So I started researching and Googling, and I found a lot of celebrities and people from the UK was coming to Turkey to get their teeth done. And much cheaper, about 20% what I would have cost me in Ireland. So I started Googling and I found many clinics offering very great jobs, very good work. And meanwhile, I found one clinic which I thought was really great, which was Dentacay. I saw their photos before and after, and it really called my attention how perfectionist they were with their teeth done. You know, I didn't want to have my teeth done with those chiclets, that white square ones. I really wanted to look for the perfect teeth, really natural teeth, where nobody could notice how my teeth could be done. I had a video call with the doctor, Dr. Gula Lakay, and she was very nice. She explained me everything what I need to do, put me very at ease. And then a lot of other people from her clinic and her assistants start chatting me every day, show me what's gonna be next, and they arrange everything for me. I arranged the accommodation, arranged the transportation from the airport to the hotel. So I'm very excited to go to Turkey, have a holiday over there for a few days at least, and get my teeth done, get normal life as well. And I'm gonna take you guys in this journey with me. So I'm about to go right now. I have a flight to catch, and see you over there. So the driver just picked me up from the airport, and we are on the way to go to the clinic. Everything went smoothly. The instructions was very clear. My first time here in Istanbul, in Turkey, and what I could see is very nice place, very organized, and I'm excited to see what's gonna happen now from the clinic. So I just got here in the clinic, and they had already my treatment started, and I'm a little bit afraid, but at the same time very excited with the end result. The team is phenomenal. They took the x-ray and start to see what needs to be done. They discuss between them what would be the best solution for my case. So now I'm just waiting to get the doctors coming back to me, tell me what needs to be done, and the treatment start to right now. So I'm excited. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Okay, Rafael, are you ready?
Yeah, let's see it. Oh wow, what a difference. Now I really can smile. Thank you very much. I just got my teeth done and I can't believe how much difference has been made in my life. I finally can smile again, I can have my pronunciation back, and is much better than I would have expected. I'm very happy with the results. After accident, I had a quite good smile before, but after accident my teeth were very bad. I started to lose health in my gums. Of course they are broke, and I was using a frame, so it was very embarrassing having a social life. I was hiding a little bit from my friends. They were asking me, let's go out for a pub or anything like that, and I was, no, I'm sick, I can't go out or anything like that. So definitely impacted my social life, and definitely now I want to go back there and be able to smile again, meet all my friends, everybody there, and I'm looking forward to see what's gonna be the reaction, like see the wow expression. Since when I booked my treatment and I booked my flights, everything was managed by the clinic. So they booked my hotel 5 stars, all the transportation. I didn't have to do anything else. I just came here to Turkey. They picked me up from the airport, brought me to the hotel, and every single appointment they were bringing me from the hotel until the clinic, no hassle at all, which was very easy to do the treatment. What happened was, to me, of course, an accident. Nobody's expecting to that, and really it put me down so much with my self-esteem, which not to be able to eat properly, not to be able to speak properly, or even having a social life. And I was very sad about that, of course. But then coming here to Turkey and coming here to Denta K, being so easy, the whole treatment, having such a great teeth right now, I'm very happy to be able to go back to Ireland, have a normal life again, and even much better now with a much broader smile. I'm very happy with the result, and of course I would suggest and recommend to everybody to come here to Denta K and get their teeth done. So thanks to Denta K, now I can smile again. Thank you very much.